Good morning, everybody. This is a quick introductory video on my new Lefant accessory kit. We have an M series Lefant robotic floor cleaner, and I don't remember the model number on this. This is good for the M2 series, so it should fit. Basically, these things have consumables. In the little debris compartment, there is a very high capacity filter that needs to be replaced every now and then. We vacuum this out with the small handheld vac to keep it going, maybe use it 200 times. But I got this 2-pack that has 4 bristles, so 2 sets of 2, and 2 filters, and a couple floor scrapers. If you look on the bottom of this, those are all the things that need to be replaced. Over time, these wear out. Over time, the filter just loses its capability, gets a little more clogged. So for $20 you can get a set of 2, which will probably last you like 2 years, so I'm guessing $10 a year. And we run ours every single day for about an hour because we have 3 dogs that continuously shed, and it's just easy to do. $20 on Amazon for this accessory link. I'll open it up, put the camera down, and I'll show you what's inside. And I'll also stick a link in the description below on where you can get this exact kit if it appeals to you. Here is the inside, and I actually was misinformed, or I read it wrong. The clamshell is not your typical clamshell, so it just pops apart without cutting you. That's nice. But it does have 2. Oh, it does have 4. Boy, am I lying left and right. They look like 2. So what it does is has 4 brusher arms. These just pop off. No tools required. They just pop off and put new ones on. These aren't quite ready for it yet. And it does have 4 HEPA filters that just pop into this frame. You can see this one's dirty over time. So you get 4 arms and 4 filters, and 2 of these little scraper arms that you have to actually use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 5 Phillips head screws off to put this in. So not a bad deal. You're going to have spare parts for a couple years. And this is for, again, your Lefant. This model is the M213S low profile super vacuum power robotic vacuum. The accessory kit, the information is down below. Thanks for watching.